As part of my food escapades, I'm here for lunch this afternoon at a very unique place in Powai. Madeira and Mime it is called, and it's a cafe and bar. Exciting food, great drinks and some eclectic coffees as well. And what's more, the concept is unique. The waiting staff here is differently abled, speech and hearing impaired, but the service is great nonetheless, and I'm going to check it out, so do come along.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Okay, fantastic. So allow me to tell you something about our little restaurant.
Sure.
We are a cafe and bar, and all our front of the house staff are speech and hearing impaired.
Okay.
We communicate with them in sign language, and this is Reena. She is going to be a server for this afternoon.
Okay.
And she will like to welcome you to Madeira and Mime using sign language, and I'll translate.
Thank you.
She says, "Hi, welcome to Madeira and Mime. My sign name is," that's a sign name, Reena, because if we call her by Reena, she won't be able to hear.
Sure.
So we use sign name for her. My name is Jaideep and this is my sign name. So you want to call either of us, just either raise your hand or just call us by our sign names. The very basic signs which they use is thank you, welcome and hi. Ordering is very simple from the menu. You either point at the dishes or you just use the corresponding signs and the numbers. And she'll take down your order.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Please enjoy yourself and have a good experience with us.
Thank you. I've successfully managed to place my order for a curried chicken double roti and of course an iced caramel macchiato. I'm looking forward to my lunch today, so just wait and watch what I'm having. My curried chicken double roti and iced coffee have arrived, and they certainly look appetizing, and this is aromatic as well. Global comfort food is what Madeira and Mime is known for. That's why I decided to stop by and have a quick lunch here today. This curried chicken double roti certainly is something close to my heart. Very typically Bombaya flavors, eclectic, spicy and zesty, and of course filling too. I'm thoroughly enjoying this as my quick lunch today. Now for some coffee. Creamy, robust, something that has really perked me up this afternoon. This iced coffee is absolutely delicious. I love the fact that this chicken curried double roti actually has a bit of curry in it, so it's moist. The lovely succulent pieces of chicken, lots of tomatoes, onions, which actually give it a lot of flavor and texture, and of course the bread. Filling, delicious and lip smacking. This one is a great lunch and a snack too. What's interesting is that the Madeira and Mime menu offers food from across the globe. Pizzas, pasta, soups, bows, burgers, Japanese ramen, and of course a separate dedicated menu for coffees. What's more, A lot of people can actually head to the bar at the back and order great cocktails and some eclectic wines and spirits. This place is a complete package, a place where you can unwind, relax and have some great food. I've thoroughly enjoyed my quick comfort food at Madeira and Mime this afternoon. Of course, I opted for coffee vis-a-vis the great drinks that this place offers. Perhaps next time. The menu is eclectic, the service great and the food fresh and of great quality. I'm certainly coming back here for more. If you enjoy watching Mini's Food Fundas, do subscribe to my channel.